Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I got the September Catlady Box, y'all. We got it. It's a family thing. This is definitely a family box. Catlady Box. Okay, they send me the crazy Catlady Box. The Catlady Box starts at $34.99 a month. And if you get the crazy Catlady Box, it's a little bit more, and then depending on the size of your clothing, it could be a little bit more. So you'll have to check the website out. I'll have that below. I don't have a code or anything, but I do have, their website. So it's a nice box. When you open it up, this is a quick sneak peek. There is always a beautiful card in here it's like a postcard. It's a shiny, beautiful card, and you really could frame this. Hey, Blue, come on over. You could frame it. They're always beautiful, and they represent a cat lady. I'm sorry. I get disheveled when the cats come up. They represent an artist, a featured artist each month. So look at this, is beautiful, a beautiful orange cat sitting in the windowsill. How pretty is that? And this with the pine trees in the back, this looks very September to me. So this, on the other side, is all the information about what's in the box. And the theme this month is Cozy Kitten. The featured cat artist is Rachel Parker. Rachel is a full-time artist who works primarily in watercolor. Her work has been collected worldwide and has been featured on the cover of several magazines, including the Journal of American Veterinary Medical Association 3 times. And her art and online tutorials are available through www.rachelsstudio.com. If you need that information, again, ask me. Blue is digging in this box. Also, Catlady cares for every time that y'all buy a box, they donate to different organizations around the country. So it says Catlady cares. NAWS, which is NAWS, Humane Society of Illinois, Simply Cats, Appalachian Peace Paws, and Berkeley Animal Center. Because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. Okay, all right. Lou, you can stay, but goodness gracious. Okay, so inside there's always some nice tissue and a pretty sticker. And when we open it up, got a little stuck there. Okay, let's see what we've got. The first thing right on top is this. So let's open this. I did see this, and it's super cute. This is a cat's collage scarf. Wrap yourself up in all things cozy. A good book, hot chocolate, and of course, cats. Lots of cats. Oh, this is really pretty. So this scarf is a bunch of cats. It's really pretty. It's valued at $16.99. It is quite big, which is nice. Here is the tag, Cat Collage Scarf, and it says Catlady on the back. So a lot of these products are exclusive to Catlady Box, which is really neat. So this is, let me see how big it is. Okay, a scarf, would be like a rectangle. This is 2 rectangles, so it's folded. So it is quite big. So if I want it, let me leave it folded so you can see the print real quick. Okay, see all the different cats, cat collage. And then when you open it, you can see that it's thinner. And there is what I call the front side. It's the front and then the back. You can still see the cats right through it, but that's a little bit lighter shade. So this is one of those wonderful scarves that is very much like a shawl. So you can, put this over your head and wrap it around your shoulders and, do whatever you want. It comes in handy to have something like this. It's not thick, it's thin. So you carry it with you, and then it gets real windy or cold out, you can put it on. You can toss it over your shoulder this way and that way. You can do it different ways. Look like it's like a babushka. Now I've ruined my hair, but anyway, isn't that cute? I love this kind of thing because I carry these kinds of things when I go places, because you go into different stores or different, the movies or a restaurant, and it's very cold in there. And in the meantime, it's not too cold outside. You don't really need a jacket or anything. But then you can throw that on your shoulders and, you know, smudge. Pardon me. They're all coming through. You don't have to leave. He wants to get in the box. But let me get everything out. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. Okay, Smudge, you can get back. Come on. Come on over. Come on over. All right. Next we have this. Is big. This box was really heavy, y'all. Really heavy. So these are cat ceramic bowl set. And let's look at them. I mean, very nicely packaged. Look how cute that is, y'all. That says microwave and dishwasher safe. And it says Catlady Box donates a portion of all proceeds. It tells us about that. And let's look at it. Set of 2. I have gotten some different kitchenware from Catlady Box in the past, and it's really nice stuff, y'all. Really nice. I mean, very usable. Oh, these are cute. Look at that, y'all. Oh, these are fancy. I was gonna say you could use them for the cats, you know, water or food, but these might be, not that I would say they're too nice for the cats. I do like to treat my cats well, as you all know. Here comes rotten girly Camille. Go on through. Let me show them. Okay, she's getting in the box. These are beautiful. Look at, that's the gray one. See, it's real shiny on the inside, the porcelain, and then or not ceramic, not porcelain. And then this gray is matte, like a matte color on the outside. And if you can see the cat's impression, and then it does say Catlady Box at the bottom. And then on the inside, there's a gray cat. So you can use this for their water bowl or for food. I can't leave food out because my cats are, they have dietary issues. So, and also Camille eats kitten food and the boys don't. So this other one has a cream colored kitten or cat in the middle. And then this is this beautiful cream color. It's like a butter yellow, maybe even. And it says Catlady Box on the bottom as well. These are beautiful. See, I think these would be really pretty out, Camille. You know, with peanuts. You could use them for dips, chips, you know, well, not chip. You can put dips in them and have a basket of chips or something. I mean, you could really use these anywhere in your kitchen. And you could use them for the cats if you wanted to. I'm not sure that I'll share them with my cats, but I'm going to put them down for the moment because Camille is not allowing us to see. Okay, Camille. Now, there is also in the box, next month is a really big, important box. It's the Black Cats box. We're purring with excitement. The next box is our annual Black Cat box to celebrate October. So it says, Catlady Box, our annual Black Cats box is one of the most popular boxes every year. And it's your next box. We can't wait to send this to you. So there is the beautiful Black Cats and Camille. Oh, did you all leave with the toys already? Let me show you the toys, right? And there is a t-shirt, but she was really wanting this. Okay, this is adorable. This, the bowls, let me read about the bowls. Bowls made for a warm meal with a side of kitty snuggles. Use them for you or as cat bowls. The value is $18.99. Don't bite me. And then this, here's a toy that she really wants, this one. This is Fluffy Flames Firewood Catnip Toy. This crackling feather fire toy will drive your cats wild and warm your heart. The value is $4.99. I'll have to take the tag off because, you know, it has a little plastic thing. I've got to get that off of there. But isn't that, the tag is adorable, Catlady Box. And then it looks like wood. It looks like you're outside having a nice bonfire. The feathers are the flames. That is so cute. I know that she's wanting this so bad. She's wanting it so bad. I was going to give it to her, but I have to film. I have to take pictures first. And then there's this cute thing. This is Kara the Crow catnip toy. They both have catnip in them. I think usually the Catlady Box toys always have catnip in them. Yeah, you like that, Camille? This is your cats will squawk over how adorable their new crow friend is. This value is $5.99. Oh, you know, I could not figure out how it went, y'all. I kept doing this. I'm like, what's going on? This is it. Here's the feet. So it's a cute little crow. And there is the cute tag. Okay, Camille, yeah, you got your nail stuck. Ow, in me and in the toy. All right. All right, you can have it, but don't go anywhere because I gotta get that tag off. And then there's a t-shirt, y'all. There's always something that you can wear in these boxes, which is wonderful. This is beautiful color catnip enthusiast tee. The definition of cozy equals catnapping with our kitties. And the value on the t-shirts are $22.99. And they have sales on Sundays. Most every Sunday they have a sale. Maybe not every single Sunday, but maybe it's seasonal. But they have a lot of sales, and you can get their t-shirts too in the sales. And this, I love, you know I love purple. This is so pretty. It says catnip enthusiast. I love it. Catnap, not catnip. Hello, Mary. Catnap enthusiast. So it's beautiful. I love the purple, and I will definitely wear this. So let me show you if I can. Here, they're all coming over now. We have the very, very pretty Catnap Enthusiast t-shirt, the wonderful scarf, the beautiful bowls. These are so pretty, y'all. I mean, you know, these are really nice, really fine quality. And then we have the bonfire toy and the crow. And I'll try to get some film of them playing. Not always the easiest thing to do. And then the beautiful, I count this as a gift as well. The beautiful card, because these are frameable, y'all. They're always so beautiful. So thank y'all for stopping by. And don't forget, if you want Catlady Box, check out the Black Cat box next month. Get this month, and then you'll get that. You'll be on the list to get this one. Y'all take care, count your blessings, and I might have a little bit after here. You gonna play? Smudge, you wanna play? Come on. Come on. Blue, you wanna play? You wanna get the box? Here you go, Blue. That's the crow. It's so cute.